kid. Flaws and all, I love them all. Don't be a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Cause I don't wanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Riri from Texas. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you read the title, today we're going to be doing a braid redo video. Well, not redo, actually a touch up. So if you could tell, do y'all see how this new growth? Comment below and tell me how long y'all think I've been having these braids in. Go ahead and pause the video now and comment and tell me how long y'all think I've been having these braids in. Okay, so now that we're back, I've actually been having them in for 2 to 2.5 months. So this is what this new growth looks like. It's, oh my God. But you know, before I was wearing these, y'all see I wore a lot of, I want to put my chair down a little bit. Y'all see I wore a lot of wigs. So my edges, yeah. So look how good my edges is out here flourishing, girl. They love me. My edges love me now. We're doing so good. So I'm going to keep these braids in for, I don't know. I'm just feeling them. They so get up and go, easy, friendly, and it's just my vibe right now. So I wanted to show you guys, I am going to be redoing my whole head. I do not know how long it's going to take me. I will only be showing you some of the process. What I plan to do is to do the perimeter and then come in, or go back and then I'll redo the back here because yeah, yeah, look, it's definitely time. It's definitely time. And it's getting so bad to where I'm actually having to find hairstyles to where I'm like covering up my roots and my edges and throwing jam and gel and all kind of stuff on it. So I'm going to show you guys partially how I do it. What I normally do, I got to pull my mirror out because I do not want to cut my hair. Y'all, my hair has grew so much under here to where it's like, yeah. So I have a mirror right here in front of me. So what I normally do is I turn the braid around. Like this will be the front part because this is like where it starts. But look how much this thing grew out, y'all. So I turn it around and I look for my hair color. So you can see my hair color. You can see my hair color right through here. It starts dying down like about right here. So I'll probably take it a centimeter or an inch under that. And so I'll probably cut right here. Then I'll be looking to make sure I ain't cutting no hair so I ain't gotta cry about it. So you can see this is what I cut off. It's no hair in there. I have a rat tail comb. And I'm just going to use the end of that to undo it. Sometimes I do it in groups. Sometimes I do it one by one. I guess it depends on how much time I actually really have. So, what is this? So yeah, this was way under where my hair actually stopped, which is good for me. So some of my hair is kind of stuck. So what I did do that I didn't tell you guys already is 2 weeks ago, I like washed my hair really good with shampoo. I conditioned it and then I let it dry because I was actually going to try to do my hair 2 weeks ago, but that didn't work. So now we're here now. So as you can see, that is from the jam I put on there before. So I always start combing at the bottom just to comb it out. Because you want to try to retain much of your hair as possible. So you got to start from the bottom and go up. See, when you get up there, try to hold my roots. Because I am tender-headed, child. Y'all want to meet somebody tender-headed? It's me. So that too much didn't come out from there. Just kind of there, which is to be expected. I still try to make like a part because since my hair has grown out so much, it's kind of like separating at the roots. So you can get clips or make a part or do something for this. Try to just make a part. But for me also, I'm not too into like making my braids look neat. Like that's not my goal. So I'm not too really much worried about that. But you have to do this with clean hair. If your hair wasn't clean, this is not going to be. And this is really good. I have a lot of growth right here. Well, I have a lot of growth everywhere, and I'm noticing that. So I'm just going to probably stick to these braids for a while. Just because I love my wigs, but I don't want to be so dependent on them to where my hair is just, So yeah, I'm gonna go get the hair and then I'm gonna show you how I just kind of restart my new growth. So I wanted to show you guys really quick what I'm using to separate my hair. So I have a stand. This is one that actually stands off the ground. This is very important. On the back side, I got some more hair separated. That's for my daughter. But I have my 27 that I'm using. And then at the bottom, I have my 30 separated. If you can kind of see. I'll pull it up. So I have most of them full, so I can just grab and go. This is like really, really good. So that is very important. So for longevity is very, very important. So I'm going to show you how I do my retwist. Now for time's sake, I would normally do like, I would take this one out, every other one I would take out, so then I would cut this and take these out. So these can already be out, but I just want to show you one at a time for now. Okay, so this is what I use to actually lay everything down before I put my weave in. So go back in, separate. A part of me wants to make them smaller this time, but I'm gonna just leave the sizes as is. I ain't gonna do too much. So I went and found some clips just to hold the hair back. Not the actual braid, but the hair that I parted out. So this should hold it. Go in. I usually keep this on the back of my hand, but I haven't actually started yet. So I just go in on the parts and then I go in on the edges right here. Y'all, this is so exciting. Do y'all know how cute I'm ready to look? I'm ready to go somewhere. I want my man to take me somewhere or something. The hang time is hanging, ain't it? Okay, so I take my hair. I haven't split it yet. This is really small too. I think this might be a tad bit too small. So on the two ends, I already, I'm just gonna add a little bit more to it. I didn't already do nothing. On the two ends, I actually have them only one color, which is 27. So I just split it down the middle. I'm gonna take it to about, yeah, I could just really gauge this. That's why it's like not no. So this is like from the top to the end. And I gone ahead and split it 3 ways. This is almost like a miniature braid lesson too, huh? Okay. And then just start re-braiding. And I always stop and check to make sure it's kind of neat, because I don't like my braids not neat. I always add a little bit of gem along the way. I only go like about 3 or 4 braids before I start turning it over. I'm gonna still look to make sure it's still neat. Oh y'all, this Re-Braid got me excited. Do you hear me? Sometimes I take it all the way down depending on what I'm doing, or sometimes I'll just braid like 4 or 5 of them halfway down, then I go back in and braid them. But to be honest with y'all, I plan on doing this over the next 2 weeks, because I just don't got the time in the day to be sitting here just braiding all day. But sometimes I catch a good momentum and then I don't want to stop either. So I guess this would just kind of be like get my retwist like, y'all know the people that got dreads, this would be kind of like in your retwist. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how it look. It's just like in the retwist, I guess. So this to this. So this is definitely some good new growth. I guess we're gonna go on this grow out journey. We're gonna see. So stay tuned so I can see how it looks when I get done. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is one that I mixed. And you can see I've already cut this out. I'm taking this one down. Let me just do it like I did the other one. I already put some gem on it as well. See, I gotta put these hooks back on it because I grabbed some of that other braid because I got so much new growth. Back. You already see how good we looking. Y'all, I'm really excited. Oh my God, up there looking like nobody love me. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with the halfway part. And I wanted to show y'all, I'm just over here getting too excited how good they are coming out and looking. Oh my God. So as you can see, I got some excess hair because I actually went in and actually parted it correct down the middle because I think I want to wear down the middle too sometimes now. So I mean, I had to take some hair from over here and push it this way. And even this little part right here was getting like weird right here because the way I did my hair last time, it was just, don't even worry about the parts, they was all over the place. So I'm actually trying to take this part all the way across so you can actually see the difference now. Yes, I'm almost through. Well, I know I said I was gonna do the perimeter. So what I'm actually doing now is I'm gonna just do this front side. Then I'm gonna do the back coming up all the way till I get to the middle. So I figured that would be best. So depending on what I gotta do in the next few days, I can actually put my hair back. Or I could do more hairstyles than if I just do the perimeter. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm starting on this side. I already parted it. Y'all really need to go get a comb, but I think I'll be all right. Putting the jam on it right now. I ain't gonna lie, my edges is thriving. Yes, Lord. My edges is thriving. I might not even put another wig back on. Cause honey, why? Okay, so I'm just start here and then I'm gonna push back like I did up here with these. I'll come back and update y'all some more. Okay, y'all, guess what? Your girl is finally done. Okay, so it took me honestly about 4.5 days, not like 4 days. I probably was dedicating 3 to 5 hours a day, if that, to finish. And I know I said at the beginning of this video, or maybe I thought it, I think I said it though, that I was only gonna do the front and the back, but honey, look. We did all of it. Oh my God, look. All of it is done. All of it is done. It's a wrap. It's good. We're all done. It looks so freaking good. It feels so good. I feel like how when people go get their dreads and stuff redone, oh my gosh, I feel like that. So look, yes, it's all done. So why it took me a little longer is because my parts were so messed up in the back, because when I initially did them, I just kind of threw them up. So now you can see I have a little bit more structure. And I went in, I reparted them, made them smaller and stuff, but listen, yes. So this is what it looks like when we redo it. It looks so good. I kind of went in and made a more definite part right there, which is working for your girl. So if you like this video and you like when I show you, you know, the things that I redo or just redo my hair. Sometimes I do like nail videos when I get feels and stuff like that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will do more. And if you would like a how I style my braids video, make sure you let me know in the comments so I could let you know a couple of styles that I do. Right now, I'm going to focus on wearing my hair down a little bit. Because, you know, I got my little part. Your girl is outside. Do not play with her. So I'm just kind of on that. But I do have a couple of styles that I really, really like. And I do feel like down is not always the best style. But it's a really cute style, especially if you have a nice part and you doing your thing. So yeah, just let me know. Thank you for always for tuning in to your girl. It's your girl, Re from Texas. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you in my next video. As always, thank you.